Steven, why haven't you started washing this house yet?
Good question. Well, I'm a little preoccupied at the moment, but I'll get back to you on that one.
What are you preoccupied with?
Getting ready to wash the house.
Oh, you putting plastic over the door?
Yeah, I figured it would be a good idea to keep solution off of this surface.
Why is that?
It's probably not good for it. I don't think they get along. Okay.
No, it's funny because we've been here like an hour and we haven't started washing yet, but there's a good reason. Yeah, well, I mean, we all like to pull up and just start spraying, but this is kind of important. Ultrasoft Pressure Washing, we care for your property properly. Call us today, 904-304-0810. Steven's covering a wooden door because the finishes can have problems with our cleaning solutions. So we'd rather hand wipe your door casing and protect your door than potentially cost you $1,000 to have a door refinished. Or our insurance, for that matter. Doesn't matter. What matters is we actually cover stuff. Look, even you can see Steven's already been around. He puts a little bridge of tape over top of exterior outlets, the doorbell switch, things like that. Even if we didn't mask that door, we would cover the door locks on it. There's no more stuff over here to mask, but that's what we do. We mask and protect everything electrical, anything that may have a problem. We take the extra time to make sure it's protected. So call Ultrasoft if you need something clean. 904-304-0810. UltrasoftPressureWashing.com. Good job, Steven.